Are you hoping to study abroad, either as an undergraduate or postgraduate student? Are you planning to travel for leisure? If that is the case, Solution Platform simplifies all your study and traveling processing. We prepare students for standardized tests like IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo, SAT, GRE, GMAT with over 90% success rates.
At Solutions Platforms, we provide a conducive learning environment coupled with our top-notch tutors who excel in their teaching roles, providing proper guide and support to students in their educational journey.
We have global partnership with over 5,000 universities in countries like UK, US, Canada, Australia, to mention a few.
We don't just help you in passing standardized tests, we also help you in getting admission with scholarships. At the same time, guiding you and providing support throughout your visa journey with our over 80% success rate in visa approvals. Make the visa journey seamless. This aligns with our motto, which talks about providing solutions to all the challenges in education and travel.
Don't wait. Your travel and study process begins with a step. Contact us today to enroll for our exclusive benefits.